Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see a Wallester review. Wallester is a modern fintech company providing comprehensive payment card solutions and financial services for businesses of all sizes. Known for its flexibility and innovation, Wallester allows companies to issue branded payment cards, streamline expense management, and enhance their financial operations. It has card issuance because businesses can issue physical and virtual Visa cards for employees or customers. Customizable cards with company logos and tools to track, categorize, and control company spending. Developer-friendly API for seamless integration with existing financial systems and instant transaction data for better financial oversight. It has cards and account support transactions in multiple currencies and advanced security features, including 3D secure and real-time fraud monitoring. But it has a learning curve. It is limited to non-Visa options and it is potential overhead costs. While cost-effective compared to building in-house systems, fees can add up for small business. And that's it guys. You can use it because you are a business or a starting small business owner to help you manage your finance solutions. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.